But it isn't. Like, I wish we went to that one.
Which one?
The top one. That's the super one that we wanted to go.
Can we?
No.
Why?
Because that's the super one. That's the one we wanted to go on. But there's no more space. And I don't think they're doing it today. The kid reminded me of Aaron.
Yeah.
She reminded me, she has a little accent too.
Oh, look at the freaking zoom on this thing.
How's Aaron doing? Take it to me.
Okay, I tied it to my belt loop so it doesn't fly off. Yeah, well, I've been bringing my $600 camera in me.
That was sweet, yeah. That was definitely cool.
Yeah, but it's like, I feel like it's just super short though.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that was definitely true. It was quick. It was cool.
That's right, I remember that.
All we're doing now is going down.
Like, it was quick.
Like, I think we're just going down, right? It's not like we're climbing anywhere.
Well, we find out.
They're screaming. That was quick. I wasn't expecting to slow down as fast. Yeah, me neither. It jerked me off to the right. Yeah. I hit the block and I went off to the right. I got this. Gonna head on up this one?
Oh, I thought I was waiting for that one person that's going to be so nervous, like, during the
Hey, we have to go on the beach today.
Yeah. Well, hopefully by the time we get back home, it's not raining.
Oh.
Because the rainstorm should hit here. Once it hits here, it's not going to be back home.